Ngayon mga kabatas natin, we will not let up. Hindi tayo magpapabaya. Kung magda-double time kayo, magda-double time din kami. Pasensyahan nyo na mga kabatas natin kasi nga, syempre marami rin kasi akong ginagawa. Pero like I said, I'll do my best. We will do our best in our community to also double the effort because they are doubling down. We are also doubling down. Tulad ng sinasabi ko, may Hammond stance. Debate tayo tungkol sa desisyon ng Supreme Court na ito. Kahit sinong abogado. I don't need to tell you my stance already. Swak na swak yung aking posisyon from the very beginning dito sa impeachment trial na ito up to the resolution or decision of the Supreme Court. Kahit 10 kayo, kahit 100 kayo, mag-isa ko, game. My goodness. Dito tayo mga kapatid natin. Speaking of people who are dishonest.
Natin ng slightly yung decision nga ng Supreme Court doon sa impeachment case ni VP Sara. Yusek, good morning. Happy Sunday.
Welcome back po, Yusek. Thank you.
Yes, good morning, Chris. Good morning.